Security forces in Manipur arrested one individual from the general area between Kalapahar and Bongmol villages in connection with extortion of money from truck drivers near Bongmol village on National Highway 2, Kangpokpi District yesterday. The individual, identified as Sathaulan Kilong, 24 years, was arrested for extorting money from truck drivers. The security personnel seized one synthetic leather purse, a mobile phone and Rs 4,100 in cash. In a similar incident, security forces in Manipur seized a significant number of arms and ammunition from the Waitho foothill area in Manipur's Thoubal district. During the search operations, the personnel recovered one 12-bore single-barrel, one 12-bore bolt action rifle, one SMG with magazine, one revolver, 2-inch mortar cell, 281 mortar cell, 236 HE hand grenades, 2 Chinese grenade, 1 IED, 2 smoke grenades, 2 smoke shell, 1 Motorola handheld set, 1 7.62 SLR magazine and 1 assault rifle magazine. Search operations across the vulnerable areas of Manipur are frequently conducted to maintain peace.